To download the file that you want to transfer, first, on the old computer, make sure you are clicking on this Tax Home button. After that, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you will see this, your tax return and documents, and you want to click on them, which will open up this window, and on top of it, you can choose on which year that you want to download the tax file, and after you choose the year, you may get the copy of it by clicking right here on the Download or Print Return as PDF file, if you want the PDF file, and also the .tax file over here, if you want the .tax file. You may then later move the tax file to the new computer. And then, on your new computer, if you want to upload your last year return info to the current year on TurboTax, click on the Tax Tools at the left side of your screen, and tap on the Tools button just below it. A pop-up window will appear, and you want to tap on Transfer last year's TurboTax return from your computer option. Anything that you insert before will be deleted. After you are sure with the consequences, click the Continue button. And then you may upload your last year return by clicking right here, and tap on Transfer Return button. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.